Oh, beatings. What beatings? When you hear the time for Daddy, are you?
Hi everyone, this is Andrew and
Let's
how are you today?
see.
Yeah, this is Let's See. This is my princess.
My
Daddy's got a new toy.
Oh.
Look everybody, Ishop. I've got a new toy. Shall we have a look?
What is?
Wow. Look at this everybody. It's the new AirPods Pro noise cancelling headphones from Apple. Wow.
Yes, that's red, white, and that one white.
Yeah, they go in the ears. They're called AirPods Pro.
Open.
Shall we open?
Yeah.
Yay, okay. This is, I've been wanting to get these for a while, but it's been out of stock.
Yes.
Even when I went to the UK on my holiday, out of stock. They're back in stock here in Ishop, and they've just delivered them to me today. So let's open. We like the noise, don't we?
Oh, yeah.
Wow,
Yes.
okay. So there's the cover. For those that don't know, these are noise cancelling headphones. They earbuds that go inside your ears.
There's Mommy's.
Wow, now that's a little cover that they've given me as well.
That's Mommy's.
Little cover on here. We'll leave that in there. That's Daddy's, yeah? Okay, let's open the box. Let's open the box. Always nice to open these boxes, aren't they? Yeah. Wow, okay. There we go. Designed by Apple in California. We'll look at the earphones in a minute. See what we get. Get the little booklet showing you how to connect it to your iPhone. Little packs, different languages, etc, etc. There we go. Put that over there. And then inside the box is the packet of headphones. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it?
That's the sticker.
Yeah, this actually what this is, Lex. If I open the box, what we've got is the cable for charging, which is a USB-C to lightning cable. So that'll go into the bottom here. It's also a wireless charging case. You can put it on a wireless pad to charge.
Yes.
And then this is the different sized earbuds. So if the earbuds that come with it are not the right fit, you can change for smaller or bigger, yeah?
Okay. Small,
So let's
big.
open, yeah, small, big, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, whoa,
Oh
that's
no.
nice.
My sticker.
Wow, look at this, beautiful. So the ones I previously had, Lexi, had the case this way round, the
That's
AirPods.
Mommy's.
And now the AirPod Pro is this way. Right?
Daddy, that's the Mommy's. That's Mommy's.
Look at that. Wow, there they are, everybody.
Do we get it out?
No, we're not going to get them out because I'm going to have to connect them to my phone and everything. But this is the new AirPod Pros. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe. I'm on a big journey losing weight and getting healthy, and these are a new tool to help me.
That's when you
And my
told.
beautiful princess also has you have a YouTube channel, don't you? It's called Awesome Lexi, yeah? And they subscribe to your channel for your opening videos, unboxing and surprise videos.
Daddy, I want big ears and other one.
Oh, you want some? Ah, these are too big for your ears. You've only got small ears, haven't you? Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Should they subscribe?
Let's try.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe. Press the bell icon, you'll get notification. I'm doing my weight loss videos on a daily basis.
Daddy, you will the other stick for me?
Oh, I like that. She's not here now, is she? Anyway, bye-bye, everybody.
I'm doing it.